In this video, we are unboxing the torque wrench tool. Gloves. Product manual. Large size torque wrench. Tool storage box. This tool is a dual scale indicator. One side is in Newton meters. The other side is in kilogram force meters. This tool comes with dual scales. The main scale is on the main shaft. The secondary scale is on the rotating handle. The range of this tool is 20 Newton meters to 200 Newton meters. To use this tool, we must first unlock it. Turn the locking collar counterclockwise at the bottom. Unlock the collar, then rotate the handle. Adjust to the desired torque value. Then lock the collar again. The switch on the ratcheting head to the left is counterclockwise rotation, that's the removal mode. To the right is clockwise rotation, that's the tightening mode. Press the button on the ratcheting head to attach a socket. When the tool has not been used for a long time, reset the scale. Turn the scale down to the minimum value. This prevents the spring from being under constant pressure, which could affect accuracy. Now let's move to how to use this tool. This tool has a large size adapter. We can pair it with a large size socket, as well as a large size extension bar. First, confirm the size of the bolt or nut need to loosen or tighten. Select the related socket size. Slide the socket onto the ratcheting head. Press and hold the button to push the socket on. Position it over the target bolt. Hold the ratcheting head with one hand and pull firmly on the handle with the other hand. When we hear the click, that's complete. And please avoid over-tightening.